What is irony?
Irony is a rhetorical device that is used to express an intended meaning by using dot language that conveys the opposite meaning dot when taken literally. The Oxford Learner's Dictionary defines the dot term irony as the dot use of words that say the opposite of what you really mean, often as a joke and with a dot tone of voice that dot shows this.
Types of irony. There are 3 types of irony. Number 1 is dramatic irony. Dramatic irony is when the audience or reader knows something that the characters don't. Number 2 is verbal irony. Verbal irony is when you say the opposite of what you mean. And number 3 is situational irony. Situational irony is when the opposite of what is expected happens, often to humorous effect. Example of irony is, the Titanic was touted as an unsinkable ship, yet it sank on its first voyage. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.